Listen to that howl. This is our wind measurement. What we're picking up here is also happening down on I-70. So a few updates for you. US 40, that is now closed. You can see why. It's a safety closure due. Some of the roads are flooded, all of the east-west roads. Now, unfortunately, it's just gotten very foggy, but let me try to show you what we're seeing. A car about 20 feet ahead of us right now is floating in the intersection. Step on your patio after this. What you're going to do, your handy-dandy smartphone here, push the middle button to get to the moon icon. Drag this all the way to the right. What you're doing is getting a long exposure photo. Come with me. We'll show you what is the main story. Look at this. Across the board here, I plotted all of your storm chances. They're not great, but it's something. This is rare. This is something we've had one time in northeastern Colorado, one time in southeastern Colorado. Now the western slope, a particularly dangerous situation through 10 o'clock. We know it's coming from several fires burning all the way from the San Juans to the Central Mountains, as well as the southern foothills. All of these fires fueling the poor air quality that we have been seeing. I want to show you exactly what we're seeing at this moment. This is your current wildfire smoke density. The darker the gray, the more thick, the more dense it is right by the surface. And the atmosphere, it always wants to be the same. That's called equilibrium. High pressure and low pressure, they're not the same. They're opposite. When you're stuck between the two, your winds, they'll really begin to ramp up. There's a reason Colorado says don't plant before Mother's Day. So we're already currently seeing the warm water building below the surface of the Pacific. Think of that as your fuel. A particularly dangerous situation for fire weather has been issued. This basically means fire conditions are as extreme as they can get. Spend time talking about air quality improvements as well as storm chances. Now let's take a look at the heat. That is the big story. 80 degrees right now with gradually improving air quality. Hey, we hit 97 today. That once again for the second day in a row ties the hottest day so far this year, and there is more where that came from. Upper 60s, low 70s for tonight, and then we're back at it once again tomorrow's temperatures surging by the afternoon and the evening. Look at our highs across the state. Low to mid 90s for the northeastern plains, triple digits, Highway 50, 70s, 80s. Up across the high country, nearing triple digits for friends out there on the western slope. This is what, day 4, day 5 of the heat wave. We are just in the middle. I will keep our thunderstorm chances tomorrow. That does have a bit of a change. Warm as you wake up, 90s in the afternoon. But here's what I'll tell you. I don't like how this shows it. If you pick up a shower tomorrow, snap a finger. In 10 minutes, your temperature drops 10 degrees. You'll be enjoying a lot cooler of a day than a town or two over where we're topping out in the low to mid 90s. Once again, storm chances, they will develop anytime between about 1 to 3 o'clock. They're quick moving by 6 to 7, already pushing out. Any severe weather should stay north and east of the metro. The hail, the damaging winds should really avoid largely all of I-25. We will keep an eye on 1 or 2 cells as they push out across the plains. That's really it for our severe potential. This has been the big story. A lot of talk about this extreme heat wave. We're seeing a few moderations, so we'll keep an eye on it, but it's huge and it's strong. Watch what happens after Friday. By the time we get towards Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and even beyond that, temperatures 97 degrees or above. It is going to be a scorcher with dry conditions by the back end of the extended forecast.